students, today we are going to start practice set 2.2. In practice set 2.2, the question number 1 that we want to solve. So here is we are going to start the problem number 1. Solve the following quadratic equation by factorization method. So you want to solve the problems by factorization method. So here is x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. X square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. So my students, see here the third term is 54. So we are finding two numbers such a way that two numbers product is 54. Two numbers product is 54 and two number addition or subtraction is 15. Two number addition or subtraction is 15. So such a two numbers you want to factorize it. So here is 9 6 are 54. See, 9 into 6. 9 6 are 54. So 9 is negative, 6 is negative. So both having negative sign. 9 having negative sign, 6 having negative sign. So in multiplication, if the sign of both number are same, answer must be positive. So 9 6 are 54. So we are getting the product 54, that is the positive. Are you understand? How can you factorize 15 minus 9 into minus 6? Why? Because minus 9 into minus 6 product you are getting 54 and that product sign is positive. So that product sign is positive, so 9 is negative and 6 is negative. Because in multiplication, if sign of both number are same, answer must be positive. So 9 6 are 54, so you are getting here 54. Okay, and that positive 54. So 9 is negative, 6 is negative. So sign of both number are same. So sign of both number are same. So what can we do? We can do addition. Why we are doing addition? Because 9 is negative and 6 is negative. So 9 and 6 both are negative. 9 and 6 both are negative. So we can do addition. So 9 plus 6, 15. So we are doing addition and whatever be their sign, that sign is negative. So we can give negative 15. Is that clear? See, we are finding the two number whose product is 54. So that two number is minus 9 and minus 6. So that product means multiplication you are doing here. 9 6 are 54. So you are getting 54. 9 and 6 both having the same sign. So in multiplication, sign of both number are same. Answer must be positive. So here is plus 54. Is that clear? Then 9 is negative, 6 is negative. So both having the same sign. So we can do addition. 9 plus 6, 15. So here is you get 15x. And whatever be the sign that is given minus, so minus 15. Is that clear? So you are factorize that. So x square minus 9x and minus 6x plus 54. Means this is the first group. X square minus 9x. So see, here is x, here is x. X common, so it is outside the bracket. So what is remain here? 1x is remain. So I write here x in bracket. Then negative sign. So I write here negative sign. Then 9. So you are get x in bracket x minus 9. You can check it. You are getting that answer. X into x, x square. X into 9 minus 9x. Is that clear? X square minus 9x. So x into x minus 9 into x. So this x common. So it is outside the bracket. What is uncommon? X. So I write here x. Then minus. So I write here minus. Then 9. So x in bracket x minus 9. Minus 6x plus 54 is equal to 0. Minus 6x plus 54 is equal to 0. So 54 can be factorized. 9 6 are 54. Okay, 9 6 are 54. Minus 9 minus 6, 54. Pure 9 6 are 64. 9 into 6. So here is negative sign. So we are getting minus 6 common. So it is outside the bracket. Uncommon x. So I write here x. And minus 9 is written as it is. So because it is uncommon, so it is written as it is. If you don't understand, again explain. See, minus 6x, so minus 6 into x. 54, 9 into 6 or 6 into 9, that is positive. But 6 into 9, here is 6 into 9. Middle term sign is negative, so this plus 6 become minus 6. So here is minus 6, here is minus 6 common, so outside the bracket. Uncommon x. 6x minus 6 into x plus 9 6 are 54. So here is negative sign. So this negative 6 and his positive 6 become negative. So negative 6 common outside the bracket. X is remain as it is. Then this is plus 9, but here is negative sign. So this plus 9 become minus 9. So here is x minus 9 common. So it is common, so it can be write single time. Okay, so see this x minus 9, this x minus 9 common, they are having at both sides, so that can be write single time. So here is I write x minus 9. Then what is uncommon? X minus 6. So I write here x minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the factor of this. But we can solve this problem up to this in 9th standard. But you are at 10th standard. So you are solve this problem having another step, which is that x minus 9 is equal to 0, because they are having two possibility. X minus 9 is equal to 0, or another way x minus 6 is equal to 0. So minus 9, that minus 9 go across, it become plus 9. Okay, see this is the minus 9. So minus 9 go across, it become plus 9. So x is equal to 9. Then x minus 6. So this minus 6 go across, it become plus 6. So x is equal to 6. So you are getting answer x is equal to 9 or x is equal to 6. Is that clear? Are you understand it? Okay. Then root are 9 and 6. Second problem. See here, x square plus x minus 20. So product is minus 20. Sum or subtraction is 1. That number is 1. So you are going to find out the number which two numbers product is 20. What you want to find out? You want to find out the two numbers whose product is minus 20 and whose sum or subtraction is 1. Okay. So here is I write x square plus x minus 20. So 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Okay. So here is 5 4s are 20. So I write here 5 4s are 20. Middle term sign is positive. See, this x is positive. So when the middle term sign is positive, then we can change sign of the smaller number. Remember in this mind, because that mistake can be done by you every times. You want product minus 20. Okay. So you want to find out the two numbers. That two numbers product must be minus 20. Okay. So 5 4s are 20. Okay. So 5 4s are 20. Is that clear? Then middle term sign is positive. So remember my student, when middle term sign is positive, then you can change sign of the smaller number. So 5 and 4, which is the smaller number? 4. So we can change sign of 4, that is the minus 4. And this 5 is plus 5. So 5 is positive, 4 is negative. Sign of both number are not same, and we are doing multiplication. So when you are doing multiplication, sign of both number are not same, answer must be negative. So 5 4s are 20. In multiplication, sign of both number are not same, so you are getting minus 20. Are you understand? You can get minus 20. This 5 is positive, 4 is negative. So sign of both number are not same. So 5 4s are 20. So we are getting minus 20. Is that clear? So why we are getting minus 20? Because both number sign are not same. And here is also you want minus 20. So here is both number sign are not same. So you get the product sign is negative. Middle term sign is positive. So we can change sign of the smaller number. Because 5 minus 4, 1 is remain, bigger number sign plus, so that plus can be given here x. Okay, so this is the first term, x square plus 5x, which is the first term, x square plus 5x. Then second term, minus 4x minus 20 is the second term. Find out the product here, x square x into x plus 5x 5 into x. So here is x, here is x, x common outside the bracket. So that whatever be the common, that is right outside the bracket. So this x common outside the bracket. X into x, so here is remain x, so that can be right here. Then this plus sign, that can be right here. What is remain here? 5, so that can be right here. So x in bracket x plus 5. Why this x is outside the bracket? It is common. So when you are solve this, you are getting this answer. Check it, x into x, x square, x into 5, 5x. Okay, are you understand how can we factorize? Then minus 4x minus 20, 5 4s are 20. So a middle term sign is negative. 5 4s are 20. So here is the middle term sign is negative. So plus 4 become minus 4. So that can be right as it is. Then here is plus minus 5, that can be become plus 5. Such a way. So both sides having common x plus 5, x plus 5. So we can write x plus 5 as a common and uncommon x minus 4. So here you write x minus 4. So you are get x plus 5 and here is you are get x minus 4 is equal to 0. So first condition, x plus 5 is equal to 0. So this plus 5 go across minus 5. Then x minus 4 is equal to 0. So this minus 4 go across plus 4. So see, plus 5 go across minus 5, minus 4 go across plus 4. So roots are minus 5 and 4. Then we are going to see the problem number 3rd. 2y square plus 27y plus 13. This is the problem. So here is in this problem the first term coefficient is greater than 1. See, problem number 1 and 2 are observed. The first term coefficient is 1 only. Okay, that first term coefficient is 1 only. But in this problem, see 2y square. So first term coefficient is 2. So 2 means that is greater than 1. So all of my students remember that when the first term coefficient is greater than 1, then that coefficient multiplying to third term. Then that coefficient multiplying to third term. So 2 into 13. So 2 into 13 what you get? 26. Okay. See the first term coefficient is 2. So that first term coefficient is multiplying to 30. So 2 into 13 what you get? 26. Okay. So here is 2 into 13 you are getting 26. So you want the product is 26 and sum is 27. What do you want? Product is 26 you want and product is 27. So 26 ones are 26. 26 ones are 26. So here is we are right 2y square plus 27y plus 13. So first term coefficient is 2. So that is multiplying to third term. So this 2 is multiplying to 13. So 13 2s are 26. So we are getting 26. Okay, 13 2s are 26. So we are getting 26. So 26 is the product and sum must be 27. So how can we get sum 27? 26 ones are 26. Then you get sum 27. Okay. So this 27 is factorized as 26 ones are 26. So 2y square plus 26y plus y. See 26y plus y is equal to what you get? 27y. Is that clear? So 26y plus y plus 13. So which is the first term? 2y square plus 26y is the first term. Which is the second term? Y plus 13 is the second term. Are you understand my students? See 2y square plus 26y is the first term and second term is y plus 13. Okay, so see here 2 into y then 26 13 2s are 26 13 2s are 26 y. So here is 13 2s are, so here is 2, here is 2. So 2 is common outside the bracket. Then y common outside the bracket. So 2y is common outside the bracket. What is uncommon? Here is remain y plus 13. Okay, plus 13. See 2y square 2 into y plus 26y 2 into 13 into y. So 2 common, so it is outside the bracket. This y common, so it is outside the bracket. What is uncommon? Y plus 13. Then here also y plus 13. Nothing common. Nothing common means what is common? 1. So 1 is common, so it is outside the bracket. Uncommon is y plus 13. So see this side having y plus 13. This side having y plus 13. So both sides they are having y plus 13. So this y plus 13 is common. So that is right single time. See y plus 13, y plus 13. That is common. So that is right single time. So I write here y plus 13. What is uncommon? 2y plus 1. So here is I write 2y plus 1. Then we solve this. Y plus 13 is equal to 0. Y plus 13 is equal to 0. 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. So first possibility. Plus 13 go across minus. 13, y plus 13. So this plus 13 go across minus 13. So y is equal to minus 13. 2y plus 1 go across minus 1. So 2y is equal to minus 1. So 2 is multiplying, go across, divide. So y is equal to minus 1 upon 2. See, 2y is equal to minus 1. So here is the right minus 1 as it is. 2 is multiply, go across, divide. So y is equal to minus 1 upon. So the roots are minus 13 and minus 1 upon 2 are the roots of the equations. So I am solve the 3 problems, and these 2 problems I am given to you to solve and write it into your first, whatever be the problem I taught to you in the lecture, that problem you write into class notebook, school notebook, okay, school class notebook, and this homework problem you can write in the homework notebook. So anyone doubts, then see, this is 22m go across minus 22m plus 15 go across minus 15. So 5 into minus 15 minus 75. So you are finding the product minus 75 and some more subtraction 22. So 25 3 is a 75. I'll give you hints to solve this problem. Then this 2 is divided to 1. So when that 2 go across, it can be multiplied. So 2 2 are 4. 2 2 are 4. And here is 1 upon 2 into 2. So 2 2 cancel. So you are getting 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So it is also easy to solve this problem. I hope that whatever I taught you, you are understand it very well. So like this channel, subscribe the channel and send to your friends and say to them like and subscribe. Okay, have a good day.